Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to demonstrate how to put your action camera into the waterproof casing. So in my hands I have a waterproof casing that is particularly well shaped for the camera that I have in hands. So it's not a big deal adjusting the mount and adding it to the casing. So that's what we're gonna see in this video. And if you didn't know about my channel, here it's we review tech, we talk about tech, we unbox tech, and yeah, so let's get directly into the video. Just before putting the camera into the case and setting it up, I want to talk about the case itself. Make sure you have the rubber padding all the around the casing, so that you don't get water inside. So that's gonna seal the waterproof, improve the capacity of not letting the water inside. So the waterproofing should be clear. Make sure the rubber is stable, and also make sure that your buttons are functional, so that you can control the casing inside water, so that you don't need to take it off the pool inside the pool, so that you don't miss any moments. And make sure that you don't have any scratches on your lens, so that your video captures are really cool, without any quality issues. And make sure that your black rubbers on four corners are really in place and they don't move, because they're going to play a big role in stabilizing the camera inside the housing. So now let's get into the tutorial on how to put the camera itself inside the casing. It's really not that hard. Just place the camera properly and verify if the buttons seat well. Well, if you're choosing your waterproof housing for your camera, make sure that you get the ones that have the same button placements as your camera, since some cameras have extra buttons on the side and that might affect your waterproofing, since they have extra space and they will block your SD card or other slots. So nothing big. Now you make sure that you push it really hard and close it as if you didn't have this knob and it was the maximum closing point. Then you get the lid right here and pull it, and you have the lock, so which you don't need to adjust right now. So what you have to do is hold this and push it at the same time down, so your camera will be inside your waterproof casing. And here you have the mount for your selfie stick or any other device which you're gonna use to hold your camera inside the waterproof casing. So now let me show you how to get the camera outside. So you unlock the lock and voila, so you get the camera outside. And that's gotta be it for the video. Thanks for watching. And just before leaving, I wanted to mention that in this video all the elements that were present were bought by me, and this is not a sponsored video. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.